Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about selection sort. So let me just write it first. So selection sort. So this is the topic. So it is one of a sorting technique. So what we do in this, we simply sort an array given to us in ascending or descending order as we want. So let's say, for example, I have an array 3, 5, 1, 2, 6. Right. So what in selection sort we do is we find the smallest number first. So here the smallest number will be 1. So in the first iteration we find the smallest number. So first iteration gives smallest number as 1, and the current index to change is this one. Means it's not 3 obviously, but the index to change is 3, is pointing to 3. So we just simply change 3 and 1. So in the next iteration we get okay, let me write that. So we get 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 2 comma and 6. So this time in the next iteration, so this will be the second iteration, and then the next pointer will be pointing at this location. So as we get here, I will check the next smallest number from the here to here. So we have a new sub array, we can say this one. So the smallest will be this 2. 2 is the smallest. So we just simply change 2 with 5, right? So we get the next in the next iteration, we simply get 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, right? So the next time here the pointer will be at 3, and then we can check the smallest number from here to here. So while checking we will get the smallest number at 3 only. So as soon as our pointer and the smallest number index coincide, we can simply just stop the execution. So this array is sorted in third iteration only. So as you can see, this is much more faster than bubble sort, but in some cases both of them have the same worst case time complexity, so it doesn't much really matters that what you use, but this one is slightly better than bubble sort. So let's code this. First I'll write the main method. So first also let's import the scanner. So scanner I have imported. Now I will take input for array. So let's aggregate int a is equals to new int of, let's say um, let's say 5 only, and let's put int I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So this will be the pointer for the array. So a of I is equals to sc dot next, and so we have taken the input for array. So this will take 5 numbers. Now we have all the numbers inside the array. Now we have to do the selection sort part. So selection sort. Okay, so first we will have a for loop for outer iteration. So for int I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So this we have. Now I will have the inner iteration. So int j equals 0, j is less than 5, j is less than 5, j plus plus. Okay, rather than taking it as 5, we should take it as a dot length, because it's not fixed that what will be the length of the array. So let me just change it for all of them. So I've changed it. Now let's write the other code. Okay, So first I have to find the number at the minimum index. So I have to take a min index also, so int, and one will be for the int change index. So this will tell us that on what index we have to change. So it will start with 0, and int okay, int min index. So this will always start from the change index. So change index, and then we can check for the other index. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to change this also. It shouldn't start from 0, it should start from change index. Okay, yeah, change index. So what is change index and what is min index? So change index is this pointer. So every time we are going for the inner loop, we start from this change index to the last, and next time this change index is at here, so we check for the smallest number from this array. Next time the change index is here, and again we check for the smallest number in this array, sub-array. And that min index tells us what is the minimum number index for the minimum number. So this is that. So that's what I'm using here. So it will start now. I can check. So if a of min index is greater than a of j at any time, we can simply change min index is equals to j. So every time this happens, we can do this. So after this for loop, we will get the minimum index. What is the minimum index? So we only have to swap the value. So what I can do is I can use temp variable, and temp is equals to a of change index, then a of change index is equals to a of min index, and then we will have a of min index is equals to temp, and then we can just increase the change index every time. So change index plus plus. So I think they should work. Let's see if it works or not. So I'll just print the array here. So for int I in a sys out, let's just print all the numbers here. So a of I comma, oops, just comma space. Okay, let's see if it works or not. So run file. So it's asking me for an input, so let's give the same input what we had here. So we have 3 5 1 2 6. So 3 space 5 space 1 space 2 space 6. Let's see. Okay, so array index out of bound is at line 35. Okay, so line 35 says int a in. Okay, so I am printing that. I shouldn't be printing that, I should printing I. Okay, let's see. Okay, what was the array again? 3 5 1 2 6. Okay, 3 5 1 2 6. Okay, so we are getting 1 2 3 5 6. So this is the correct array. Let's check for something different. So let's give a 3 9 2 7. So it should be 2 3 7 8 9, and it is 2 3 7 8 9. So selection sort is working. Just to see how many times is it printing. So let's int I equals 0. Let's not put I, let's put count. So we have count equals 0. So we have count here. Now we can print it. Let's print it inside this. So system.out, and let's print plus plus count here. So we have plus plus count, and yes, let's see if this works. So let's see if this works or not. So 3 5 1 2 6. So this gives us all total 15 iterations, but what I can do is I can put a boolean here. So let's put a boolean is changed. So this will change if I have changed the values or not. So how can I use it? Okay, so if condition is changed, okay, so I can use if is changed is equals to true. So if it is true, then we can continue. If it is false, so if not is changed, so if it is not changed, we can simply break. I think this should work. Let's run this file. So 3 5 1 2 and 6. Okay, as you can see, it got reduced from 15 to 12. So it is a means it changed around 20%. So it's a very good use of selection sort. So, and we have also minimized the time complexity also. So selection sort is, I can say, that slightly better than bubble sort, but yet it takes a lot more time, and we have much better sort than this also, which we will discuss in upcoming lectures.